playing with my slime and showing you my slimes. So first, I have this green one, and I'm playing with it right now. You can see it. It smells like green apples. It smells really good. So, and then it's like fur putty, but it doesn't really work that much, like the fur putties. And then I have yellow slime. And then it doesn't work. It doesn't touch that much. Don't try this out. If you get it, do not. Okay. I'm going to be doing this one now. And then but on the other video, I'm going after this one, maybe I'll do another video showing you my room, but I don't know yet. Maybe not, maybe. I'm just gonna got it open. This was melted, and then it was cool, and then it came back together. That one. And then I have this one right here. I don't know why it says for Vic. I don't know why it says that. So just ignore that. Okay, and then it pokes really well. It pokes really well. So that's my slime. And then I'm almost done with my video. Cause when I record it, it takes a little bit of time. And the other video said it took too long, but it was short. So this one is going to be a lot of fun to make. I got it at Target, I think. I think I did, but I think I didn't. Okay, I don't remember though. Okay, so I'm done with the video.